Hey, welcome to Elisity Unlocked, the series that takes you inside the Elisity platform, one feature and use case at a time. Over the course of this series, we'll show you what it really looks like to roll out Elisity in a live environment from day zero forward. This first episode is where it all begins. We take an untouched site, no visibility, no policy, and deploy Elisity for the very first time. We'll discover every device on the network and build a complete identity for every asset within Identity Graph, coming out on the other side with a foundation everything else is built on, ready to start defining and refining policy. Let's get started. Before we jump in, let me set the scene. Cork is a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility, multiple production segments, building management systems, OT and IoT, a mix of Cisco, Juniper, and Arista switches. No Elisity deployed yet, and no visibility beyond the CMDB, no enforcement. This is the starting point for most of our customers, and here is where we're headed. The same facility, Elisity deployed across all three vendors from a single cloud control center. Full device visibility within Identity Graph, with Elisity Intelligence surfacing evidence-backed policy recommendations. No new hardware, no agents, and no VLAN redesign. Let's go build this. So this is day zero, a brand new Elisity Cloud Control Center. No devices, no policies, no infrastructure connected yet. In fresh environments like this, we provide our customers with an onboarding checklist to help guide them through the simple process. We've already deployed an Elisity Virtual Edge, a lightweight software component that can be deployed on your existing infrastructure. No new hardware required. The Virtual Edge serves as the translation layer between Cloud Control Center and onboarded network infrastructure, gathering flow data and configuring policy elements on the appropriate switches, firewalls, wireless controllers, or other endpoints without touching the data path. We've also added some Identity Graph connectors. These are integrations with platforms like ServiceNow, CrowdStrike, Armis, or Claroty. And these are used to enrich devices within Identity Graph, Elicity's real-time identity record of every device user and workload on your network. Let's onboard some switches and watch as devices are discovered and classified in real time. We'll do this as most of our customers do, with a bulk spreadsheet upload. Simply download the template and fill out some basic information about the switches. Moments after submitting the upload, the Virtual Edge reaches out to the switches to check configurations and begin the onboarding process. A wide array of network infrastructure is supported, extending device discovery and policy enforcement well beyond the three switch vendors shown here. This allows customers to maximize the investments they've already made in their existing infrastructure. And just like that, 6 Virtual Edge nodes between 3 different vendors onboarded immediately, all online and managed from the same cloud control center. No vendor consolidation required, and no manual per vendor policy translations. The Virtual Edge manages all of that to give a true vendor-agnostic approach. And within minutes, the Identity Graph has discovered 983 devices and counting, agentlessly through the switch. No span ports and no inline taps. No endpoint agents. Most customers are surprised by what Elisity finds. Every single deployment, we surface unmanaged or unknown devices that simply don't exist in their CMDBs, EDRs, or in other security platforms they've invested in. Devices that pose a real security risk, completely invisible to every other tool in the stack. With that visibility in hand, Elisity correlates all available identity data from every connected source into Identity Graph, building a complete identity for every device. It also surfaces the gaps. Devices without an endpoint agent, devices missing from your CMDB. If you can't see a device, you can't enforce least privilege policy against it. Elisity Intelligence then analyzes that device population and generates policy group recommendations via insights. These are suggested starting points for segmenting your assets, grouping devices with similar security requirements based on identity. Some examples here are industrial automation, verified printers, physical security, and building management. Each group has identity-based match criteria, an impact rating, and a recommended security level that aligns with IEC 62443 and other compliance frameworks. The operator reviews and accepts these suggestions, and this isn't a black box. It's a recommendation engine with human-in-the-loop approval. Select the groups that match your environment and move to policy based on those policy insights. After accepting those insights, a large majority of our devices now have a policy group assignment based on its identity. We can also see enrichment data from third-party connectors, and clicking into a device shows all of the attributes that both Elisity native and third-party connectors have gleaned about a device. This is what it means to use identity as your policy foundation. ground truth device identity correlated from every system. And you can see how well those sources agree. The consistency score of 100 on this specific device means that every connector is telling the same story. This is the signal that you ideally want before you enforce policy. And policy group recommendations is just the beginning of what Elisity Intelligence surfaces. Once traffic is flowing across your environment and the models have more data to work with, real analysis begins. And that's a wrap on episode 1. In a single session, we took one site, Cork, from an unknown, unmanaged network to a foundation that's ready for policy. Every device discovered, identified, and grouped into a policy group based on its identity. We onboarded the switching infrastructure across 3 vendors, discovered every device and endpoint agentlessly, and built a complete identity for each one. Now these policy groups are a general baseline. Tailoring them to your environment's specific use cases is an ongoing process. It draws on your own team's knowledge of the business, and it's rarely a day one task. We'll dig into some specific use cases in later episodes, but what this demo really shows is how easy it is to get you off the ground, from an unknown network to an identity-based foundation, with far less effort than anything else out there. In episode 2, we take the next step, using the real traffic flowing across the network to start defining policy and locking down the channels the business already knows are safe. When you're ready to see what Elisity finds in your environment, head to elisity.com, book a demo, or see what our customers are saying. Thanks for watching.